having bugs in code is a very difficult thing, right? It's very, very difficult to identify, and it takes a lot of time as well. What if I tell you, okay? What if I tell you that I can show you a method via which you can identify bugs in code with the help of AI in a matter of seconds? That I have for you guys. What is the name of the tool? It's called debugcode.ai. How does debugcode.ai work? AI. I'll again copy the link and paste it in the chat box for everyone. Okay. Now I need a piece of code in order to analyze it. Okay. So I have this Python code, right? I have this Python code. I'll just copy this. I'll copy this Python code. I'll paste it over here. Okay. Okay. It's waiting for file name at the top. So let us give it as binary search.py. And after that, we will write this piece of code. And now we'll ask debugcode.ai in order to identify bugs in it. Create a bug. Okay. Let's maybe, remove this low equal to mid plus 1, high equal to mid minus 1. Okay. I am, okay. Let me just do this. I will remove this low equal to mid minus 1, high equal to mid plus 1. And let's see what we can do over here. Okay, once I have created a bug in this code, I will give a prompt to this particular AI. Okay, I'll give this particular prompt to the AI, telling it this binary search code is not giving me the correct output. Or let's just put it output. This binary search code is not giving me the output. Let's ask this from the AI and see if it is being able to help us. Even I am not sure. Let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens exactly. Okay, plus 1 and minus 1 we had removed, right? Low equal to mid plus 1, high equal to mid minus 1. We had removed that. Now see what is the output we get from debugcode.ai. It is being able to identify. The issue with your code is in the lines where you update low and high. Currently, you are setting low equal to mid when the value at list mid is less than the item, etc., etc. However, in a binary search algorithm, when the value is list mid is less than item, you should update low equal to mid plus 1, and whenever it's greater, you should update high equal to mid minus 1. And it is giving me the correct code as well, which we got from